I am so hungry I don't know where I go now. Hello, anyone here, please help me. I need to find someone who help me. Oh my god, this snowstorm killed me. I need to find someone fast. At last I find someone who help me. Hello madam, can you help me? I am so poor and I need some food.
Hey you old man, stay away from me.
Please madam, please, if you help me, God help you.
You ugly old man, dirty junk, get lost.
Please madam.
Are you not listening to me? Get lost if you're not going from here in a minute. I will call the police. Oh my god, very pain in my heart. Please help of me.
Oh my god, what I do know, I need to help this lady. Oh god, save this lady please. Please God, please. Hey you, are you okay?
Yes, thanks, you saved my life. I wanna say you sorry for my misbehave.
Thank God you are alive.
Yes my friend, I wanna say you very sorry. I think poor people are bad and junk, but I am wrong. My God, forgive me please. Now I need to help of you.
It's okay dear. I am happy now. You be a good woman.
Thank you.
If you like my story, please subscribe my channel and like my video, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. You can get my latest video update. Please help the poor people. If you are rich and strong, Allah Hafiz.